Question number 1. When the band is releasing in India? Well, as per the reports, the band is releasing in September 7 in India. Well, that's a bit of a long wait, but can't really help until it actually gets launched. So here goes the question number 2. Does it have any display protection? Well, as per the official website of Xiaomi, there is no information provided on the display protection of Mi Band 4. So it is pretty safe to assume that there will be no display protection in this band. So I would recommend you to use it with a little bit of care or apply a screen protector before it's too late. Question number 3. Is it waterproof? Of course it's waterproof and you can dive up to 50 meters wearing this band. Question number 4. Can we use it without a phone? Of course we can, but to set it up for the first time we will need a phone to connect it via Mi Fit app. Question 5. Does it display the information about the person that's calling me? Yes, in the call alert option the band will let you know the person that's calling you and will also let you silence the call or reject it. Question 6. What's the battery life on the Band 4? Well, as per Xiaomi's claim, the battery is supposed to last 20 days at charge, but a lot of people are very skeptic about it. Well, I've charged my band, it's been around 12 days now, and the band has still around 40% juice left. So I might get up to 16 to 17 days of backup. But it absolutely depends on how many calls and notifications and other stuff you're receiving in your band. Question 7. Can we control music with this band? Yes, you can, and you do not need any third-party applications for that. Xiaomi this time has included this in your band's display. You can control the volume, change the track, and you can even pause and play the songs. Does it support other languages rather than English and Chinese? Well, as far as of now, it doesn't. So if you receive a notification that's not written in English or Chinese, you will not be able to read it. FAQ 9. Can you use it if you do not have a Xiaomi phone? Yes, you can. You can use it in any Android phone or you can even use it in an iPhone. FAQ 10. Can we talk with this device? No, you can't. You are only allowed to silence the call or reject it. You cannot talk directly with your Band 4. FAQ 11. Can we apply custom MOSFETs on this band? Yes, you can, and there will be a tutorial video specifically on this topic on my channel. So please press the bell icon if you want to get notified about that. And the next question is, what are the features of Mi Band 4? Well, there are a lot of features of Mi Band 4 and I had to make a separate video on that. The link will be in the I button or in the description. Be sure to check that out and you will not be disappointed. FAQ 13. Can we change the time format? Yes, you can. Like other Xiaomi bands, you can choose between a 24-hour time format or a 12-hour time format. And for that, you will have to use your Mi Fit app. FAQ 14. Does the notification automatically pops up? Yes, it does. If you want to see your current notifications, you do not have to go to the notification center for that. Anytime you receive a notification, your band's display will automatically light up and you will be able to read the whole body of the notifications. FAQ 15. So what is going to be the price of the Mi Band 4? Well, as per the reports, the non-NFC version is going to cost around 1700 Indian rupees and the NFC version is going to cost around 2300 Indian rupees. So that was pretty much about all the FAQs that you guys have been asking me, and if you still have any more questions, leave that in the comment section. And if you've made it this far with my video, please consider subscribing. Thanks a lot for watching. Asha kori abaro dekha hobe.